So welcome everyone. Today is day 4 of the 30 days of pentatonic licks, and today we're going to be doing this riff that we just did, the lick we just did. This comes from Sweet Child of Mine, is where I first heard this repeating lick. So these are great licks to learn for solos, especially initially, like if you ever listen to the end of Freebird, right? There's tons of repeating licks, just same thing over and over again. But these are some great things to learn because you can add them in at times in your solos when you're starting to jam. So he plays it up here in E, but we're going to learn it down here in A, in the first position. So this is in pattern 1, again, the first pattern, first position. So you might recognize this part from the solo. He goes... So we're going to learn this repeating lick today, and we're going to learn it down here in A. So first pattern in A. So again, I'm going to put myself on a lighter distortion now after playing that so that you can hear what I'm doing. We're going to start on the A minor pentatonic, first position, pattern 1. Put your pinky on the 8th fret of the 2nd string, and then you can have your first finger on the 5th fret of the 1st string and keep it there because we'll be moving to that. So you can place your fingers like this to start. And then you're going to bend the 8th fret, your pinky finger, and you're going to try to bend up to the 10th fret. So it doesn't have to come exactly to the note because it kind of but going a little bit higher than the 9th fret. Okay, so you want it to try to be the same note as this 5th fret, which is the 10th fret on the 2nd string, the same note. So you want it to sound about the same when you bend it up. So you're going to bend this 8th fret and then pick the 5th fret on the 1st string. And then put your finger back on the 8th fret of the 2nd string and the 1st finger on the 5th fret of the 2nd string, and then play both of those notes. So like that, okay? And then you're gonna bring your 3rd finger on the 7th fret of the 3rd string and bend that one up as well. So like that. So 8th fret, bending up, so. And then third finger on the 7th fret of the 3rd string. Like that. And then same notes as before. So you come back down to the 1st string on the 5th fret, and then the 8th fret on the 2nd string, 5th fret on the 2nd string. Okay, and that's the whole lick actually. You just keep going back and forth between those two. So the first one is 8, and then 7 with the 3rd finger on the 3rd string. So like that. And what you do, how you practice is you just keep gradually building up. So you just start like that, real slow, like. And then you gradually speed it up. And you keep speeding it up until you get it to whatever speed you want to play it. You don't have to play everything as fast as you can. Also, remember that. Unless you're trying to play like death metal or something, There's certain stuff like the limit of the quickness that I ever learned to play is like Ozzy, which is pretty fast, but it's also nothing compared to like Steve Vai and Joe Satriani and these people, because I don't want to be a virtuoso style guitarist. So it's also important to keep in mind what kind of guitarist do you want to be, what kind of music do you want to play, what kind of music do you write, right? And you only have to learn in that direction because you'll progress a lot faster in the direction you want to go if you focus there. For example, if you want to be a blues player, don't waste your time learning a bunch of other stuff like rock stuff if you don't want to play rock, you know? Learn blues stuff, blues-focused stuff, because then you'll move faster in that direction. And again, if you want to play jazz, you know, focus on jazz. And then it does help to branch out to get ideas by playing other kinds of music, but focus your learning on what you want to play and what direction you want to go in, what you feel drawn to, okay? What type of music you feel drawn to play. So that's the whole lick. That's really simple, repeating lick. And we might do a couple more of these in the 30 days. I haven't decided yet, honestly. If you like the repeating licks and want to know more, let me know. We can do some of the licks from Freebird and those kind of licks, those real quick repeating licks, okay? So that's it for today. Until next time, I'll see you tomorrow for day 5, lick number 5. So take care till then.